Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Dadaji explains direct indirect speech to Sonu. Here we will focus on direct and indirect speech. So click on subscribe now button and hit the bell icon. Let's start with the story. Sonu, Dadaji, my teacher said I must learn direct and indirect speech, but it's so confusing. Dadaji, smiling, Beta Sonu, don't worry, I will explain it with a story. Dadaji says, when we repeat the exact words someone said, that is called direct speech. We use quotation mark. For example, Sonu said, I am hungry. It's direct speech. Dadaji continues, when we report what someone said without using their exact words, it is a indirect speech. Quotation marks are removed and the sentence is changed to match the reporting. For example, Sonu said that he was hungry. It is indirect speech. Sonu get curious and take example from his life. Sonu, Dadaji, what if I said my mom is cooking food? Dadaji, direct Sonu said my mom is cooking food. Indirectly, Sonu said that his mom was cooking food is changed to was. Sonu, and if I said I will study tomorrow? Dadaji, direct Sonu said I will study tomorrow. Indirect, Sonu said that he would study the next day. Here will change to would and tomorrow change to the next day. Dadaji shared rules. Present change to past like she says I like tea. She said that she liked tea. Like change to liked. And will change to would. He said I will come. He said that he would come. Pronoun change. I change to he, she. My change to his, her. I am tired. He said that he was tired. Time word changes. Today, that day. Tomorrow, the next day. Now, then. Yesterday, the day before. Sonu, wow, Dadaji. That was so easy with your story. Thank you. Dadaji, now you can teach your friends too. Just remember switch the tense, pronouns, and time words in indirect speech. Also, later we will talk more in detail. So, remember this lesson. Now, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Also, like and share video.